Malacanang defended two government officials for violating the priority list of the COVID-19 vaccine. The first batch of COVID-19 vaccine is reserved for healthcare workers. However, Usec Jonathan Malaya of DILG and Michael Salalima, MMDA's chief of staff, were among the first recipients. Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque explained the two officials acted in good faith. Roque admits there was miscommunication in disseminating the decision of NITAG, or the National Immunization Technical Advisory Group. NITAG only allowed Vaccine SARS Secretary Carlito Galvez, Secretary Vince Dizon, and MMDA Chair Benher Avalos to receive the Sinovac vaccine. Malaya explained he did it to boost public confidence.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.